What up, everybody? Trying to get in a late night rip and do it a little different. I got 3 different sets. This is my first pack of One Piece. I don't know apparently how to open them. It's pretty cool. These are pretty neat. Look at that. Maybe we get a hit. That'd be freaking awesome. Miss Wednesday. Mr. One. Sugar. Oh, your turn. That thing's pretty cool. Heck yeah. Let's see. Ugh. That is a thick piece of paper. Let's go. Haven't opened a pack of Magic cards in years. This used to be my go-to. See what we get. Ooh. Well, we got a couple of rares. Nice. Lunar Well and a flipper. That's cool. Heck yeah. Now we got some Mega Evolutions. Volcanion and Alakazam. Oh man. Well, that was pretty fun. Haven't opened Magic in forever, and that One Piece is pretty sweet looking. So, anyways, come back and check us out next time. See ya.